African problems have African solutions. So I reported to you guys recently that my people, my community took the palm wine tappers union, all the palm wine tappers that operate in our community, took them to our deity and swore them, made them swear an oath to prevent dilution. Le adulterated palm wine. So if you sell adulterated palm wine, make you and the spirits deal with the problem. So now I go and see my popsy, and he's telling me that this palm wine that he just bought, that he was able to drink multiple cups because the adulterators don't run, come out. You see, but no be church solve the problem, no be praying against them, no be preaching to them. Now say you put them, say if you fuck with these people, if you go and put, if I'm buying palm wine so that I'll drink natural juices, and you decide that you are an evil, foolish, illiterate, ignorant person that does not have sense, and you decide to go and buy saccharin, artificial additives, things that are even worse than sugar, and pour inside the drink. If you do it, it's not human being that will tell you. African problems have African solutions. The solution to corruption in Africa, in Nigeria, is African solutions. It's not talk, it's not rant, it's not anything. It's African solutions. Swear our government in, and the only reason that we cannot do it, swear our government in with our indigenous deities, and the only reason we cannot do it at the moment is because of Christians. So Christians, on so how will it be good for you, Christian? Throw your hands in the